Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you're notified when we upload a video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. But on the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Okay, so to make him feel special, I mean, it just comes down to his needs and his wants. So you just need to figure out what he actually wants and what he actually needs. Just ask him. Ask him. Simple as that. Yeah? But there is a way for you to have that instinctive feel. Yeah? And the only way you'll be able to get that instinctive feel to know exactly what he needs and what he wants to truly make him feel special. Because sometimes you may want to surprise him. I don't know. So this is why I recommend that you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the iComputer Trust. When you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. Because when you develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, you would get that instinct, that natural feel, and all that stuff there, where you will know what to do. You understand? So, listen, if you've got any questions or any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.